Welcome to the Mobbux.com presentation of web apps and how to use it. The most effective form of marketing is mobile, and our system makes it very easy. So let's get into it. Mobile will improve your ROI, and that's your return on investment. And your customers have gone mobile, and this is kind of a statement not really necessary because you see every day people are constantly on that little screen on their phone, sometimes while they're driving, which is not recommended. But it's part of their life. It's a very important tool for them. And just to give you some more statistics, there are over 5.2 billion mobile devices worldwide, and that number is growing. I don't know how it could, but it's growing. And mobile web growth is happening 4 times as fast as the internet. That's very fast. And all these statistics actually are growing at a rapid rate, especially this last one. 1 out of every 7 minutes of media consumption takes place on mobile. If you think about that, media consumption consists of watching, listening, and reading. So we're talking about TV, radio, internet, newspapers, books. I mean, that is astounding. And this number is growing extremely rapid as all those things are turning to your mobile device. So, enough said there. We know mobile is powerful, and this is why the big boys are doing it. And that's why we say with mobile, with Mobbux, watch your business grow. You can literally see it transform when mobile gets integrated. 3 steps to mobile success. First step, construction and maintenance of a mobile web app that points your customers to the actions you want them to take. These include call you, find you, or buy. There's a lot more like interact, gather information. There's a lot of things you want them to do, but ultimately the most powerful are call you, find you, or buy. In a simple but well-designed interface for easy interaction is what you want. What we mean by that is you don't want too much going on. You want them to give them some information and point them to things you want them to do. And that's the thing about mobile. People are acting fast. When they're on their mobile device, in most cases they're not browsing. They're looking for an action to take, whether it's find something or get something done. So that's how powerful mobile is. That's why we say, construct the right design. Next thing is small but big messages. It's QR codes. You should use QR codes on all your marketing efforts. This is a easy way for consumers to instantly access your web app. And we encourage people to run promotions that encourage the customer to visit your web app, whether it's some sort of discount or some additional information that you're going to give them, or a free something when they purchase something that encourages them to act on your QR code. And most importantly, one more thing about the QR code. You should remember that your QR code should go on everything. We're talking about your business cards, your flyers, any kind of print media you're doing in your business or at your location, because these are the things that will gravitate them to your web app. And this is what the big boys are doing also. I'm sure you noticed that. And here's why they do it, which is most important. When a consumer saves your icon or logo on their phone, you become their go-to business for that product or service and a part of their everyday life. Let me give you a quick example of what I mean by that. When somebody has your logo on their screen, they see you every day. They're constantly running into you. You become part of their psyche. And this is what the big businesses want. This is what they strive for. And the reason is let's give a scenario. There's a conversation going on and something comes up about the type of product or service you provide. The first thing that's going to come into their mind is the thing that they see every day, which is your business. So that's an opportunity for them to easily recommend you. And we give them the tools to do that, to post you on Facebook or Twitter or what have you. So that's where that comes into play, and that's why that's so important. Let's go on to what we do at Mobbux and why we're the best. Our team of mobile solution specialists are going to look at what your business is currently doing and offering. We will look at your website, your social media, to gather tons of information and images. So this, you don't have to worry about this. We'll take care of it. We're gonna kind of, from an outside perspective, look at what you're doing and gather the information we need. From that point, we're going to construct your web app. We're going to construct it with the information we gathered and the choice of 9 options that you've chosen. And this is selected at the time of setup. Once you set up your account, you'll see you'll be routed to a page that allows you to select 9 options out of the 30 plus options that we offer. We give you 9 to begin the construction. Now you can obviously change this and upgrade it anytime, and we'll get into that in a minute. But we're going to put it together for you, and this is crucial, and this gives you the opportunity to begin using your custom web app right away. We usually get that done within 3 to 5 business days, and at that point you'll be ready to roll. You'll be able to put your QR codes on your stuff and really get this thing rocking and rolling. And you don't have to really take the time of actually trying to get this together. Let us do it. We've been doing this for a long time. We understand what's needed and how to put it together. Now, that brings me to the final phase, which is then we hand over the keys to you. We're going to give you an easy-to-use back office to update your app with new content, designs, features, coupons, QR codes, and a whole lot more, just to name a few. So this back office that we're going to give you has taken a lot of work. We've put it together so that it's just a simple fill in the blank to add features, change features, put a new coupon, new special, new videos, so on and so forth. And in a lot of cases, we integrate it with your other things like your YouTube and your Facebook, so that as you update those things, they automatically update on your web app. So you'll be ready to go, ready to improve, and ready to roll this out. So let's take a look at the back office real quickly. You can easily add features in pages. As you can see here, you can see this list of features, a drop-down menu, and you're basically able to add a bunch of things that you want to add to your app. You can take away pages as you please. It's very simple, fill in the blank. Like we said, you have all your options here: appearance, e-commerce, advertising, SEO, mobile redirect, analytics. We'll go into a little bit about that in a minute. And then you can go into the design aspect. This simple image uploading for easy web app design. So you can upload your logo. If you have a new one, you can change your icon, which a lot of people do to keep it fresh and new. And you can upload your background and change from icons to tabs, and it's very easy, point and click type of things. And we have video tutorials along the process to help you with that. So let's talk about some of the features that you'll be able to utilize here. One of the topics of our features is converting leads, and you do that with mobile deals, coupons, converting a customer to a client, we like to say, through mobile. And that's with deals and coupons. That's with the tell a friend option. They can, like we talk about with that conversation, they can easily send your app to whoever they're having a conversation with, or a friend's email, or more importantly, post it on their Twitter or their Facebook, which allows you to have some viral action there. Form builds. You can build forms to take orders, gather information. You can build surveys. You can do a lot with that. Obviously, you integrate your Facebook and your Twitter, your social medias. QR codes. We have a section where you can generate QR codes. In some cases, you might want to create one specifically for a coupon page. You might want to send them directly to the coupon and get them interacting that way. Keep me updated. The customers, basically lead capture. The customer can send you their phone number or email address, and this goes into your database in which you can send them text messages or emails. And we can help you with the text messaging aspect of that if you need be. Now let's engage the customer. Click to call, probably one of the most important. You're going to click to call you. It's that simple. You want them to do that as often as possible. Find you on the map. We have Google Map integration, which allows them to find you on the map, get directions, and so forth. Shopping cart. Shopping cart, you can add products or services. They can gather a bunch of things and check out at the end and pay you, through PayPal or Google Checkout. Videos, keeping fresh videos up there. Services, all your services you provide. Staff profiles, hours of operation, and any events you have going on. These are the things you want to do to engage them. Industry specific and traffic. Now, industry specific things are like menus. Restaurants want to have menus up there, and realtors want to have their MLS listings. And you want to be able to take orders, whatever it may be. You want to take an order for whatever product or services that you offer. You can set up the form to take the orders. Food reservations, they can make a reservation at your restaurant. And app traffic analytics is pretty important also. We've included an analytics system in there for you in which you can see how many people visited your web app within a 30-day period. So that kind of gives you some kind of gauge to see how good certain campaigns are working. And hotel reservations. If you own a hotel, or if you're having an event where people need to stay in a hotel, you can kind of take their reservations there and maybe get a middle commission for it, or something to that effect. Search engine optimization, we allow you to get your keywords in there and really kind of start to climb up the search engine rankings, and we can help you with that also if you want to go down that road. And the mobile redirect, which is quite important. What this will do is we give you a strip of code that allows you to put onto your website. So whenever somebody visits your website from a mobile device, it'll detect what device they're on and route them to your mobile web app. Because mobile websites do not interact well with mobile devices. So you need this to redirect them automatically, and instantly you'll call them to action. And that's just an overview of what we're doing here. We're trying to get you interacting with your customer, which is the new form of marketing, which is causing people to act. It's not simply interrupt marketing anymore. It's about being part of them, being available to them as often as possible. And we can help you do that. Again, I thank you guys for listening, and our slogan goes, we want to help you make more bucks. It's time to go mobile. I appreciate your time, and we wish you the best in business.